Hey, good morning, Mark. This is a quick demo video for you for your Gullwing. Got it all done actually yesterday, but let some stuff sit overnight and dry. Trying to get this demo done before I go to work this morning. That way I can just package it up when I get home. But let's go over it a little bit. So, got your stock NeoPixels in there like we always do for you. Your activation box. So this guy is actually on a magnet, so you can take it out if you want. You've got everything in there. You probably take it out to get to the kill key here, but before we pull the kill key, and this goes right back on easily, by the way. Before we get to the kill key, I wanted to talk to you about the speaker. So we're going to take the speaker out real quick. It does take a little bit of doing to get it out, but it does come out. Just like that. So you can see how I have it coiled in there. That's right underneath the board, right? So I'm just going to pull that out with a pair of tweezers real quick. It comes out to about that far. So what I did was I reinforced the solder joint right here at the DIN connector so that it won't stress that solder point. I reinforced you can't see it from here, but I reinforced the solder connection right at the board so that won't be stressed. And then I did solidify this in here too, so this DIN connector will never move. So, when I plug it in, obviously this only gets plugged in one way, just like that. But then you can come in here and I kind of just aim for the bottom of that board right there, that gap in my chassis there, that everything can go right into. And it will just fit just like that. And then this goes right on. So that's how I do the speaker. I just wanted to point that out to you. So now we'll take this guy off, pull the kill key.
You do have a great many things to explain.
This goes back on. We do have your activation towards the front like you wanted. Got your LEDs all working great. Back is your auxiliary. Hold it down. And then of course your crystal chamber. We'll light it up again so you can see it. So everything's looking good there. Pretty cool. And then you don't have to take this off if you don't want to put the kill key back in it. I did shave the kill key just so that it would be easier. If you didn't feel like taking this piece off too, you could see where I shaved the sides off the kill key, so I could just grab it with a pair of tweezers. But this does come, this top piece, like I said, is on magnets, so it does come right off for you. And so that is your completed Gullwing. I do appreciate your patience on this. I was waiting on one little part that kept up this entire build from being complete. So I will send this out to you probably tomorrow morning. I'll get it packaged this afternoon when I get home. I got some spare magnets that I'll send back to you, set screw, and then you asked me for some of this as well. So this is all sitting off to the side, ready to get packed up with a lot of spare parts that came with this guy as well that I did not use. Thanks.